Madam Commissioner, back to you. I want to, through the course of your journey, you've had many instances where you've actually gone up against the system at large or against your seniors in specific or in particular. And I think this is a dilemma that many people in the room are faced with as well, or face at many points in their life. You talk about a particular incident where you went against a senior officer where there were questions being raised about corruption and so on and so forth. And you said that you will not acknowledge the fact that there was no wrongdoing because you believe that there was wrongdoing. What gave you the strength, and what is the message that you would like to leave here to people who face these dilemmas of what is the right thing to do and when to stand up for them?
So each person has to decide what's right for him or her. But these two instances, in one case, when I was a young SP, my IG asked for money in front of me. And not only did I object, I wrote an urgent letter to my Director General of Police, who instituted an inquiry. But till the IG was shifted, every day he would issue me one memo. And mind you, we also have to take our team along. The memo I would reply every day, but when that inquiry officer came, this sub-inspector from whom he had asked for money, you know what he told the inquiry officer? He said, sir, आप IPS हैं, मैडम IPS है, IG साहब ने पैसा मांगा, वो IPS हैं, आप मेरा बलि का बकरा बनाएंगे क्या? So, what our juniors feel, you know what they have to go through. And in second case, the minister asked for 3 acres of land. I have covered it in my book, which actually belonged to police. And I felt a wrong kind of process of auctioning had been undertaken, and that piece of land was being given to a private builder. And now you know this Porsche case, how powerful the builders and the developers are. When I refused, the price I had to pay was that instead of being made chief of state CID crime headquartered in Pune, it was denied to me, and I had to accept the post of chief of prisons, which was fine with me. I knew I had to pay a price, so I think it totally depends on us. I was ready to pay the price, but I could save that 3 acres of land which belongs to police. You may have paid the price by not getting a position that you deserve to get, but you sleep well at night, and your conscience is clear.
Make informed decisions with comprehensive analysis on the go.
Strengthen your portfolio with real-time market updates on the go.
Create effective strategies with insightful expert opinions on the go.
Grow on the go with CNBC TV18. Now streaming live 24/7 on YouTube.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18, and do follow us on all our social media platforms for news, updates and more.